Have you ever wondered why your skin starts to sag, your joints begin to ache, or your flexibility seems to disappear as you age? It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, the answer might be hidden in one powerful word: collagen. Most people, when they think about boosting collagen, they turn to bone broth, pork rinds, or egg whites, and while those are helpful sources, and we'll talk more about them later, today you're going to discover the #1 best collagen-rich food that hardly anyone is talking about. Spoiler alert, it's not bone broth. Let's dive in. Let's talk about collagen. What is it, and why should you even care? Well, collagen is not just some buzzword. It's the most abundant protein in your entire body, making up about 30% of your total protein content. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. Collagen is what gives your skin its elasticity and youthful glow. It cushions your joints, strengthens your cartilage, keeps your hair and nails strong, and even helps maintain the flexibility of your arteries. But here's the catch. As you age, especially after the age of 25, your body's natural collagen production starts to decline. And what happens when you don't have enough collagen? You start to see wrinkles, sagging skin, joint pain, stiffness, brittle nails, thinning hair, slower healing, weaker bones. The list goes on. So, how do you restore this vital protein? It starts with understanding the different types of collagen and, more importantly, the foods that will replenish your body's supply. Now, collagen isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. There are different types, each with unique benefits. Let's break it down. Type 1 and 3. These are the most abundant types in your body. You'll find them in foods like fish skin, chicken skin, and bone broth. They're crucial for supporting your skin, bones, tendons, and even your hair. Type 2. This type is primarily found in cartilage, which acts as a cushion in your joints. Think about the ends of chicken legs or beef tendons. Those are great sources of type 2 collagen. Type V and X. Now, these are a bit more specialized. The key takeaway here is that eating a variety of collagen-rich foods is essential to support your entire body. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. What is the most collagen-dense food you can eat? Drumroll please. It's rooster comb. Yes, you heard that right. That little red crest on top of a rooster's head is an untapped collagen goldmine. You see, rooster comb is made up of over 90% collagen. That's more concentrated than any bone broth or supplement you can find. Rooster comb also contains powerful glycosaminoglycans, or GAGs for short. These GAGs are like the building blocks for healthy skin, joints, and even your fascia, that connective tissue that surrounds your muscles. You can get similar benefits just by eating it. It might not be in your average grocery store, but you can often find it at Asian markets, especially Chinese or Filipino markets. And trust me, the search is well worth it. Chapter 4. Chicken feet, your plan B for collagen. Now I understand that rooster comb might not be for everyone. It might be a little adventurous even for me, and sourcing it can be tricky. So if rooster comb isn't an option for you right now, don't worry, I've got a plan B: chicken feet. Yes, chicken feet, I know. It sounds strange, maybe even a little unappetizing, but hear me out. Chicken feet are incredibly rich in collagen and gelatin, especially the kind that's beneficial for your joints. Think about it. Chickens are constantly running around, jumping, scratching. Their feet need to be strong and flexible. The best way to enjoy them is by making a delicious bone broth. Simply simmer the chicken feet with vegetables and herbs for several hours, and you'll have a gut-healing, joint-soothing broth that's packed with collagen goodness. Chapter 5. Fish skin, the secret to glowing skin. Let's move on to another fantastic source of collagen: fish skin. And when I say fish skin, I'm talking about that crispy, flavorful layer that most people discard. Big mistake. Fish skin, especially salmon skin, is loaded with type 1 collagen, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for healthy, vibrant skin. It helps to maintain elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and give you that youthful glow we all crave. Fish skin is also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatories that further support skin health, brain function, and heart health. So the next time you're having salmon, don't you dare peel off that skin. Enjoy it. Your skin will thank you. Chapter 6. Beef tendons, power up your ligaments. Now let's talk about beef tendons. You know, those tough, fibrous cords that connect muscles to bones. They might not sound appetizing, but they are a powerhouse of collagen, specifically the type that's amazing for ligament support and joint flexibility. Think about athletes, weightlifters, anyone who puts a lot of stress on their joints. Beef tendons can be a game changer. They provide the building blocks to strengthen those connective tissues and prevent injuries. Incorporating beef tendons into your diet can be incredibly beneficial. Chapter 7. Bone broth, the classic collagen booster. Finally, let's talk about the all-time classic source of collagen: bone broth. This ancient superfood has been used for centuries to promote health and vitality, and for good reason. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for an extended period, usually 24 hours or more. This slow-cooking process extracts all the goodness from those bones, including collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals. Think of it as a nutrient-dense elixir that nourishes your gut, supports your joints, strengthens your bones, and even promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Chapter 8. Take charge of your collagen. So, there you have it. The secret's out. If you're serious about reducing wrinkles, easing joint pain, strengthening your skin, nails, and hair, supporting your gut and blood vessels, then rooster comb and these other collagen-rich foods should be part of your diet. They understood the power of nose-to-tail eating, of utilizing every part of the animal for optimal health. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and take care of your collagen, from the inside out.